Merry Christmas, everybody. Steven, the Salon Guy here, and yes, today is Christmas, and I just want to thank you all for all the support that you've given me throughout, this year and all the previous years, whether you're new to my channel or been watching for many, many years. I truly appreciate you, and Merry, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So today, what I'm going to be doing is, it's going to be a bit of a quick video, but I get so many messages about people want to know styling tips, right? Men's styling tips. So here is a really cool tip and trick that you can do if you've got really thick hair and you feel that your hair like this gets very clumped up and there's no texture to it. So watch this. So this could be done when you're putting fresh product in the hair, or even better, when it's probably second day hair so that the product is a little bit lived in. But even if you have no product in your hair, so here's what you do. You simply take your fingertips like this and you start to twist just on the ends of the hair, right? You're kind of twisting them together, but you're creating a bit of like a point. And you're also rubbing your fingers together like this, right towards the ends of the hair. And what that's doing, it's actually bringing some of the hair together to make little points, but it's also breaking up that super thick texture that you have, and that frustrates you when you feel like, oh, your hair doesn't have a lot of shape to it, just one big clump of hair in your head. And you could do this throughout the entire head, and literally it's a quick tip. It works great on second day hair, and look what's happening already, guys. See what's happening? I know it looks kind of crazy because I'm lifting it up, but all you need to do is then just kind of mat it down and tap it down like this, and you're gonna be good to go. So again, little twists, and you can control it. So if you don't want it so high up, push the hair down. Twist it like this and push it down, right? So you're kind of deflating the volume so it's not so much volume. But this is a really, really quick tip, and it works great for adding some separation and some texture to thicker hair types. That's pretty much it. Now, the big question you all want to know is, what is life like with having this hair? Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, you're seeing me like this. If you go back in time, I've basically been shaving my head for years and years. And I'm still letting the sides grow in, and I've been trimming it myself, believe it or not, to try to get this to work in and add some texture, and I've been going shorter. Like, I really like the Brad Pitt haircut from Ad Astra. Like, it's just short, simple. I freshly washed my head today, so it's a little fluffy. I haven't really done much on it. I am growing this in to kind of match in through here. So I am going to have a little length on sides, and it's been a very interesting process so far. Initially, I want to do this just for my YouTube channel and, as an experiment, a social experiment. And let me tell you what's happening socially. I now have 4 wives, 2 girlfriends, and a mistress. All because of this hair. No, I'm just kidding. So really, I have been getting a lot more attention. People are saying I look a lot younger, family likes it. I'm still in shock when people see me for the first time, and there's a part of me that kind of feels like it's not me, but at the same time, I'm starting to feel like it is me in a sense. I mean, I don't know. For so many years, I've been shaving my head, and I may go back to shaving my head. I don't know. What do you guys think? Again, this is kind of unstyled right now, but I'm experimenting with it, and I'd like to know what you guys think. And I'd love to know your thoughts of how do I look to you guys, compared to what I used to look like when I was bald. But anyway, that's it. Once again, everyone, Merry, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some comments, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.